and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is about the art of decision making. In a world filled with endless options and opportunities, the art of decision making plays a crucial role in shaping our lives. From choosing what to eat for breakfast to making major life-changing decisions, every choice we make has the power to impact our present and future. But have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes when we are faced with a decision to make? What are the secrets that influence our choices? Let's dive deep into the fascinating world of decision making and uncover the mysteries that govern our minds. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we will be using along with the hex codes on that particular title slide so you can practice with us. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. The first thing we will do is color the background. Right click, format background, we go to fill solid fill color, eyedropper, we choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area. Then we will insert a rectangle. We go to insert, shapes, we choose rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to format shape format size, height 19.05 centimeters. It's about 7.5 inches if you have inches in your settings, and width 24.5 centimeters, and if you have inches it's about 9.64 inches. And then we will go to shape format, shape fill, with eyedropper we choose the color that we want, shape outline white, shape outline weight 6 points, and now we want to change the shape. Right click with the mouse, we go to edit points, and with the help of the white dots we change the shapes. Click the black dot and adjust with the help of the lines the shapes. You can do any shape that you want. Okay. Right click, edit points, and click OK. Now we want to insert an image. We go to insert, pictures, this device, we choose the image that we want to insert, click insert, and we want to go to picture styles and we choose the oval style. We reduce the size of the image and we put it inside this shape, inside this shape, and we adjust its size. Now we want to insert the title. We go to insert, we choose click text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose Calibri font size 44 and color white, and we write our title. The art of decision making, unveiling the secrets behind our choices. Now we adjust the title and we will insert the presenter's name. Go to insert, click text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose Calibri font size 24 and we use white color again and we write the presenter's name, Martha G. Santos. And we put it in the desired position. Now that we are done designing the title slide, we will put the transition. On this title slide we will not put animations, but a transition for a change. First click the slide from the left side, we go to transition ribbon, we choose and click from the exciting the blinds. Then click the slideshow button, close format background, click the slideshow button to see the final result. Voila! I hope you like it. Of course, if we want, we adjust the title right here. Let's see again the final result. Click the slideshow button and that's it. I think now the title is better than before. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!